Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to install Google Apps on the HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro using Gbox. So if you want to install Google Apps on the HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, which aren't usually available through the AppGallery, what you can do is just download Gbox, which is available in the AppGallery, and download the Google Apps from there. And the first thing that we're going to do is actually download the Gbox app by going to the AppGallery and then looking up Gbox. So it's Gbox. And there it is, this green app. We're going to tap on it and hit install at the bottom. And just wait for the app to download. So now that the app is downloaded, it's going to pop up on our home screen. We can tap on it to open it up and just select one of the apps that we want to download. So as you can see, I have pretty much all of the Google apps and some other apps that aren't available. So let's start with YouTube. We're going to download YouTube, and what we need to do is allow the app to access media and files. So once this menu pops up, make sure to tap allow. And now it's going to take us to the Google login page, because we have to log into Google first to actually access all of the Google adjacent apps. So all you have to do is just go through the sign-in process by typing in the email of your Google account, the password, and then using the two-factor authentication to log in. Or if you don't have an account, just tap on create account on the bottom left and start creating your account. And there we go. Once we've logged in, it's going to take us to the YouTube download page, and we can just start downloading the app by pressing on the blue install button. Once the app is downloaded, it will pop up on your home screen, just like that, and we can tap on YouTube and access YouTube normally on the HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. And that's pretty much how you download any app. You can now come back to the Gbox app and select any other application that you want to install. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.